In this video, I'm going to show you how to set the date and time on your Mac. To do this, you first want to head up to the little Apple logo and then come down to System Preferences. And on the System Preferences page, you want Date and Time. Now on the Date and Time page, nothing can be changed. As you can see, clicking anywhere on the date and time achieves nothing. So you need to click this little padlock on the bottom left hand corner. And you can use your passcode or your Touch ID. And now you'll be able to change the date and time. So you want to untick this, set date and time automatically, and now change the date, and you can change the time. You can use your numbers on your keyboard, or you can use the up and down arrow to move the time. If you want to revert back to the original, you can click revert. This will put the date and time back to the original settings. You can also set the time zone now you've unlocked this page. However, I always recommend letting Apple set the date and time automatically. This is how you set the date and time on your Mac, and once you've done this, you simply want to relock the page. I hope that video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the like button below, and thank you for watching.